So for every lecture, what we try to do is introduce a tool or technique that's practical, that they can use, students can use in their very next day. So one of those tools is the Fist of Five. It's a great tool that serves to facilitate participation within meetings, and it's a very effective tool for project managers to understand where everybody stands. So imagine for a moment that you're in a meeting. You're trying to get feedback from where people stand on a particular subject. So what individuals do is they're able to vote with their hand by simply raising their hand. 1 being, I completely agree with what you're saying. 5 being, I completely disagree with your saying. If I was the facilitator, I might conclude my meeting by making a statement like, I think chocolate ice cream is the best ice cream in the world. We're using something very simple. Then we simply count down from 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and we ask everybody in the room to vote. So you as the moderator, as a facilitator, can go around the room. Why did you give it a 1? Why did you give it a 5? And allows, first of all, for everybody to have a voice within the room. Secondly, it allows individuals to express how they feel. And third, a huge benefit as project managers is that when you walk out of that room, you know exactly who you need to focus on if individuals perhaps disagreed. This is a very simplistic way of using a tool, but this is the type of tools and the techniques that we learn in these courses that we encourage individuals to practice their next day at their jobs.